Hello everyone and welcome back. Zanari Male Enhancement Gummies. You've probably seen the ads, but do they actually work? Let's find out. Zanari gummies are chewy supplements that claim to boost energy, stamina, and bedroom confidence. They're made with natural ingredients like horny goatweed, tribulus, and maca root. Some versions also have CBD to help with stress. The idea is simple. Skip the pills, eat a gummy, and feel better. So, what's inside? The main ingredients are herbs used for years in traditional medicine. Horny goatweed is supposed to improve blood flow, tribulus might help with hormone levels, maca root is linked to energy and stamina. Some formulas add CBD for relaxation. These ingredients sound good on paper, but here's the thing. Most of them don't have strong science backing them up. Studies on these herbs show mixed results. Some people feel a difference and others don't. The truth? It depends. User reviews are all over the place. Some guys say they notice more energy and better performance after a few weeks, and others say they saw no change at all. Experts warn that these gummies aren't approved by the FDA, and quality can vary a lot between brands. The ingredients might help slightly with blood flow and stress, but they're not magic pills. If you have real health issues like low testosterone or serious bedroom problems, gummies probably won't fix them. Zanari gummies might give you a small boost if you're healthy and just want extra support, but don't expect miracles. They work best alongside exercise, good sleep, and a healthy diet. Side effects are usually mild, maybe some stomach issues or headaches when you first start. Always talk to your doctor before trying any supplement, especially if you take other medications. Bottom line, Zanari gummies are convenient and natural, but results vary. They might help, but they're not a guaranteed fix. It's your call. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.